This tutorial will cover one of John Ashburner's code gems, which are just code snippets which allow you to do really cool things in SPM. Some of them are useful and some of them are more for show, but they're all very interesting and they will increase your understanding and appreciation for how MATLAB interfaces with fMRI data. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a surface map of a T image. So in other words, we have a T statistic that's been produced by second level analysis, and now we're going to see it on a transverse slice through the brain, and we can see at each voxel what is the amplitude of the T statistic at that voxel. All right, so first we are going to look at just one of the planes, just one of these transverse sections, and let's say we want to look at slice 30. That's about right in the middle of the brain. Next, we want to get a list of the files that we want to look at to map our results onto. So for this, we're just going to use the generated SPM-T image from one of our second level analyses. And we're going to select this using the SPM select command. Okay. Next, we need to load this into memory with SPM vol. And we are also going to create a matrix so that when we actually plot this using the surf command through MATLAB, we are only going to be looking at number 30, plane 30. All right. So here it's going to be 0, 0, 30. Okay. And lastly, we're going to load this as a single slice into memory, which is SPM underscore slice vol. And we are going to be using all these different parameters that we've already input in these first few lines. All right, so that's it. And we're ready to use the surf command. But first, I need to do something here just to make sure my MATLAB doesn't crash. What is it? There we go. Okay. And then we just do surf and then put the image as an argument. So what you can see here, if you start to rotate around this image, is if you look directly on top, you can see that it is a transverse slice of a simple T-map. But we're only looking through slice 30. And you can see that what is more red is a higher T-value, and what's in blue is a negative T-value. So if you look around this, you can actually see through this slice what the t-values are of all the different voxels. And their associated statistic is on this y-axis right here. So again, this is pretty cool, and it's just showing you a different view of what these T-maps look like. Now, what use there is for it, or how you'd make figures with it, I'm not really sure, but there you go. That's one of John's gems, and we'll be putting more of these up on the web very soon. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.